If you love making your own almond milk at home but aren't quite sure what to do with the leftover pulp, I've got the perfect solution for you: Almond Pulp Hummus. What I love about this recipe is you can use the wet pulp immediately after making a batch of almond milk, so there's no drying or any extra preparation needed. To get started, first you need to actually make the almond milk. To make mine, I usually use 1 cup of almonds to 3 cups of water and blend it until smooth. You'll need to strain it through a nut milk bag or cheesecloth to strain out the almond pulp, and then what's left is your almond milk. Set that aside, store it in the fridge, and then you're going to use the almond pulp to make your hummus. To make the hummus, in a blender you're going to combine the tahini, lemon juice, cumin, garlic, salt, and olive oil and blend that till smooth. Then you're going to add in the leftover almond pulp from making that almond milk and a little bit of water to help it blend smoothly. Blend again until very smooth, and then it's ready to serve. I like to serve my hummus with sliced vegetables, but you can serve it with anything you like. This hummus should keep well for up to a week in the fridge when you store it in an airtight container. It makes a great healthy snack all week long. To get the full recipe, be sure to visit my website, detoxinista.com.